Friends, have you ever wondered what it would be like to work at VIDIQ, a company that helps YouTube creators? And if you were to work as a customer support specialist there, what would your day look like? When you hear customer support, do you think it's all flowers or is it actually fire? Well, the salary can range from 10 to 20 lakh per annum. But it's also true that qualifying for this role isn't that easy. It's more dramatic than even Elon Musk's company X. Anyway, you'll understand everything in this video. Also check out employee ratings on whichever website you prefer. And yes, by mistake, don't look at its personal service report. It's nothing special. Alright, let's get back to the topic. Today we have brought you all the details about this job. So first of all, what is VIDIQ? Bro, this is the same company that helps YouTube creators grow. SEO tips, video analytics, title suggestions, and so much more. Basically, you can call it a YouTube guru that provides tuition to YouTubers, even those who don't know they need it. Now, to understand how interesting your work would be, imagine a scenario in your mind. How would it feel to wake up in the morning, open your laptop, and the first message you receive is, bro, why am I not getting views on my channel? Now you start explaining title, description, SEO, consistency. Everything is important. But the response you get is, no bro, my luck is just bad. Now you start convincing them, don't blame luck, we'll fix your views. And this is exactly what the company is paying you for. Now let's talk about the skills and requirements. First and foremost, communication skills. Meaning, if someone says, I'm not getting views on my channel, you can't just respond with, bro, nothing is working in my life either. The required skills include teamwork, hard work, and more, which are displayed on the screen. Now coming to the salary. VIDIQ offers a pretty good salary as per industry standards. They have mentioned $31,000, but this can depend on your profile. Plus, it's a work from home job, meaning no hassle of going to an office. You can provide customer support while sitting in your pajamas. Now, let me tell you how to apply. First, click on the link given in the description and visit the official website. Check all the details and scroll down. Then click on the apply button. After that, fill in some details like your name, email, and phone number. First selecting your country code, India's is +91. Check yours accordingly. Upload your resume. Since it's a big company and a respectable job, update your resume properly and add relevant skills. If needed, you can take help from ChatGPT. Next, select your time zone. I've already mentioned India's, others can check theirs on Google. Tick the English fluency box. If you know any other language, add it. It'll be a plus point. If you have customer support experience, mention it. If you have experience in live chat, write it. If not, just say no. Now scroll down further. Here you need to record a 3-minute self-introduction video. The guidelines are basic. Check them out and then submit it while remembering the almighty. Check your email daily. If you get an interview or test email, message me in our Career Circuit Telegram group. I'll guide you through the next steps. Now, coming to the conclusion. Look, if I speak honestly, friends, if you are passionate about tech and YouTube, enjoy helping people and have some patience, then this customer support specialist job at VIDIQ could be perfect for you. First, apply. At least take the interview. Why are you hesitating about the salary? And do let me know in the comments what you think. I know you don't share your problems at home, so write them in the comment box. It'll make you feel lighter. Don't believe me? Try it. If you've already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and apply. If you still haven't subscribed, then only God knows what you're waiting for.